What up, party people? I'm your boy Mike Dilla, and you're watching Smokin Music Reaction. This is where you get my reaction for music I haven't heard of. Maybe you haven't, or maybe you have. So I'ma still need y'all to participate, and I'ma still need y'all to hit them comments, and while you at it, smack that damn like, hit that damn subscribe, and punch the shit out of that damn bell so you can keep getting dope shit just like this. And we also want to thank our big sponsor, Apex Deliveries. You guys go ahead, hit that QR code so you guys go ahead and get that Mike Dilla effect. You know what time it is. And we also got a dope one today, Radiohead's. I'm a big fan. All my Radiohead fans, stand up. We got a good one. And this one is called Jigsaw into... Falling into a jigsaw. Jigsaw falling into place. My bad, I'm sorry. You already know. But hey, let's get this shit popping. Drop it for us, Jay. I love it already. It just came on and you could already feel your soul getting grasped and taken out of your damn body and taken to a beautiful place. His voice, look, he's my favorite. He's also, look, he's a damn angel. When you hear his voice, God's coming down. Factola. Drop it for us, Jay.
As you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the drinks arrive, just as they play your favorite song, as your body disappears. No wonder wind up like a spring before you had too much. Come back and focus again. The walls have been in shape. They got a Cheshire cat grin, all blurring into one. This place is on a mission before the night out, before the animal noises closer get cameras, before you come but so.
Beautiful, the production, the band, look, hands down, they're one of my favorites because of the show. Yo, they're in my playlist. I have heard this song. It's beautiful. Join with me, everybody, and let's let our spirits rise on this one. Drop it for us, Jay.
Between the notes, the beat goes round and round. The beat goes round and round. Never really got there. I just pretended that I was a poor instrument. As I said, I
This is beautiful. This is, Radiohead is the type of band to where you can literally close your eyes and just play the music and watch your body drift off. To me, this is like a meditation band, if I can say that. You know, definitely a meditation band. I close my eyes, you probably caught me a couple times just drifting off. But it's that Apex and Radiohead. Can't get no better than that. Drop it for us, Jay. I'm loving it. It's a flow. I'm telling you, that's a flow. That's, the Radioheads can do a lot. I know it done a lot for people. Shit, it's doing a lot for me. It's taking me out of my inner body and appreciating life. I'm telling you, that damn lead singer, man, I'm telling you, God knew what he was doing when he made him. That voice is just ridiculous. The band, crazy. We watched a couple of their live stuff, crazy. If I could put up everything I have right now, Radiohead, this is all you guys. I don't think I ever done that for any band. So Radioheads, I love you. Radiohead's fans, you already know we love you out there. But look, most of all, y'all heard my reaction. I'm gonna need y'all reaction. So go ahead, hit them comments down there. Let me know what time it is. And while you at it, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and that bell so you can continue getting dope shit just like this. And we also want to give a big shout out to our big sponsor, Apex Deliveries. You guys already know, y'all seen that effect earlier. Radioheads and Apex, you can't go wrong with, I'm telling you. Hit them up. Yo, we are here at Canoodle, the best place in the world. We want to give a big ass shout out to our producer, Smokin Fat J, and we all want to thank everybody for watching Smokin Music Reaction. And I'm your goddamn host, Mike Dilla, and I'll see y'all soon, man. Y'all be safe out there. Peace.